Hey there, health seekers. Mornings can be hectic, but what you toss on your breakfast plate can really set the tone for your whole day. Let me show you how to transform your mornings with some simple healthy breakfasts. No fancy chef skills required. First up, oatmeal, not the sugary packets, but good old-fashioned oats, cooked in fat-free milk. I love tossing in a handful of raisins and some walnuts for sweetness and crunch. Oatmeal is packed with fiber and keeps me full for hours. Another great option, high fiber, low sugar whole grain cereal with a sliced banana and a splash of fat-free milk. It's quick, satisfying, and delivers steady energy. Whole wheat toast makes a perfect side. Top it with a dab of margarine or even some nut butter if you want extra protein. Low-fat yogurt with berries or a handful of nuts also gets the heart-healthy stamp of approval. These breakfasts aren't just tasty, they're backed by science. Studies show that meals built around whole grains, fruits, and low-fat dairy help bump up your fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all while keeping added sugars and fats to a minimum. So tomorrow morning, reach for those whole grains, fresh fruit, and low-fat dairy. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. For more evidence-based tips, don't forget to subscribe to Dr. GT. Here's to better mornings, one bite at a time.